Thank you for choosing Keratherapy, the worldwide leader in keratin therapy for hair. This video will outline the proper application technique for the Pure Renewal Plus Keratin Smoothing Treatment with Keratin Booster. Begin with a thorough consultation, making sure that your client's hair is healthy enough for a keratin smoothing service. Start by gently cleansing the hair with the Keratherapy Clean Start Pre-Treatment Shampoo. Work shampoo into a lather from root to ends of the hair without massaging or scratching the scalp. Rinse and repeat. Rinse well, then towel dry, and detangle with a vent brush. Blow dry the hair until 75% dry. Then section the hair into 3 to 4 large parts. Shake the bottle of Pure Renewal Plus very well and pour 0.5 to 2 ounces of the treatment into a color bowl. You can add more treatment to the bowl if needed as you continue through the application process. Wearing gloves and using an applicator brush, take a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch sections and begin each section by dabbing the treatment a 1/4 inch from the scalp, then repeating every 1 inch to 1.5 inches until you reach the ends. Massage the treatment into each section. Then comb through with a fine-tooth comb, making sure that all the hair has been treated. Continue this process until the entire head of hair has been treated. Make sure not to oversaturate the hair and do not apply to the scalp or skin. Once product is applied, be sure to prevent treated hair sections from laying across the face. Leave the treatment in the hair for 30 to 45 minutes. It's not necessary to cover with a plastic cap or to apply heat. Timing may vary depending on the beginning hair texture and desired results. For resistant, coarse, or unruly hair types, process 45 to 60 minutes, then blow dry hair straight with a comb until 100% dry before continuing to the next step. After processing time is complete, rinse the hair with water for no longer than 10 to 20 seconds to remove the excess treatment. A small amount of the treatment must be left in the hair for best results. Do not shampoo the hair. Towel dry to remove excess water and lightly spray Keratin Booster throughout the hair. You should expect to use 1/4 to 1/2 ounce, 7 to 14 milliliters of Keratin Booster, depending on the length and thickness of the hair. Comb through, making sure the product is evenly distributed. Blow dry the hair using medium heat with Keratherapy vent brush until the hair is 75 to 80% dry. Then finish blow drying the hair smooth and straight with the Keratherapy Thermal Square Ceramic Brush until the hair is completely dry. Always blow away from the face and away from neighboring stylists or clients. Continue the blow-drying process until you complete the entire head of hair. Section the hair into 3 to 4 large sections. Begin the flat ironing process. Always begin with a test strand. Starting at the nape area, take small sections and flat iron thoroughly until the hair becomes shiny and smooth. It's extremely important to choose the correct iron temperature. This is determined by the hair type and overall condition of the hair. This will require multiple passes of the flat iron on each section. You'll also need to pay particular attention to the resistant root area by tapping the iron at the root, and then continuing to flat iron through the ends. Continue this process until the entire head of hair has been flat ironed thoroughly. The application process is now complete. Your client can now begin enjoying the benefits of frizz-free, shiny, smooth Keratherapy hair. To prolong the life of Keratherapy treatments, be sure to send your clients home with the correct Keratherapy home care collection, specially formulated for all different hair types. Keratherapy, the worldwide leader in keratin therapy for hair.